Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. We here at Pashto Reminders have been making videos for the past 2 years. Our content has been mostly based on reminders involving our daily lives, our responsibilities as devoted Muslims, and our struggle against the wrong beliefs and wrong practices in our society. We have dedicated our lives, our time, and our resources to educate our Muslim brothers and sisters. Now, we've decided to take a step forward and broaden the spectrum of our work. In order for our work to be beneficial to the masses, we have decided to hire a staff for our projects. We'll be making reminder videos highlighting the exemplary lives of Sahaba, showing our audience how to spend our lives in light of the Sunnah. We will produce high-quality videos and podcasts featuring well-known scholars in different languages, including our very own and dear teacher, Maulana Tariq Ali Khan. We will also conduct various social experiments as well. Our aim is to contribute to the Muslim society and make it a better society with each passing day, insha'Allah. We are changing our title from Pashto Reminders to Al Muslimun Media for the reason that we are going to multilingual, and we're not going to be limited to Pashto only. We will be featuring videos in English, Urdu, Pashto, and hopefully Farsi in the near future. We will be putting a lot of effort and a lot of resources in these projects to make them meaningful. We will need the help of our audience. Therefore, we have created a Patreon account. You can help us by getting yourself registered at patreon.com, and you can send us a donation with as little as $1. These donations will help us cover the cost of setting up a studio, hiring a staff, and buying premium stuff like premium software, footage, and special sounds. If you are unable to donate, you can still help us by remembering us in your prayers. Stay tuned to Al Muslimun Media for some amazing content in the future.